ReVanced extended not working. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix ReVanced extended buffering problem. So to begin with, simply head over to your settings and then go to apps. Then find ReVanced extended application. After that, simply go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. The next step is to make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you do not have a stable connection, you will suffer from buffering problem. So if you want to solve that, you just have to enable flight mode for a few seconds and turn it off again, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.